couple of deer just were in the road, and I was hoping maybe there would be a couple more before I could get the camera going. They disappeared. But the plan for today is that I'm going to go to the store to do my required work day, and instead of just showing you one booth, I'm going to show you just some snippets of cool stuff from around the store in different booths, because everybody's been updating their booth for spring, it seems like, and there's just some cool new stuff in there. And then I'm going to pick up my gift haul box from my View of Marla booth and bring that home so that I can do the mystery gift haul box unboxing video when I get home. Alrighty, so let's head into downtown Ellijay to Mainstreet Antiques and get this day started. Okay, look at this set by haul. This just really caught my eye. $50 firm on this. I am just obsessed with the shape of the salt and pepper shakers and just the color, the red and white. I just love it. Casserole salt and pepper shakers as a set from the 1940s. There's a Hall teapot, 1930s. And another one with the Surfside or the snail pattern. Let's see what that one. 45 on that. This caught my eye as well. This is Anchor Hawking Jadeite bowl, $49.95. That is firm. That's what that F means. Yeah, that's got the Fire King logo on the bottom. This caught my eye because I've never seen this false graph pattern before, and I love it. Meadow Lane Gravy Boat, $12. This is booth RGF. It's pretty too. Moroccan teapot, silver plated over copper, $45 on that. These are pretty. It's a pair. Diamond star pattern votive candle holders, $14 on those. Look at this. Duncan Miller crystal glass, mid-century, modern block. Votive, $20 on that. And this fabulous casserole caught my eye. Look at this. Or tureen, I guess. Yes, tureen. It's porcelain. It's from Germany. Weimar Katharina porcelain tureen, 110 firm. I just think it's gorgeous. Oh, and this. Look at this beautiful purple cut crystal decanter. $125 firm on that. I also really like these cups. Really pretty color. Alrighty. It's pretty. Butter dish, 25 firm on that. Japanese octagon bowl, $10 on that. Right, here's the new picture I put in the focal point and to replace the covered wagon metal art that Marla bought. This painting is of the grist mill that currently resides in Stone Mountain Park, Georgia, but It was originally constructed in the late 1800s in Fannin County near Ellijay, Georgia. So I think it's fitting. The artist's name is Terry Huey and he lives in Lilburn, Georgia. He does have a Facebook page. Let me show you this again. His name. And I am asking $225 on the grist mill painting. And look at the frame. I just love the frame and the mat. So we'll see how it goes. I think it looks pretty. Here's the new box. The new pastry blender. The new teapot is right here with these other blues. Let's see. The dollhouse furniture. Move my swanky swigs right here. I've got those at $8. This is pretty. It's not really showing up right here. The Fiesta. This cup and saucer set. Oh, I love this color. And this. I need to put the little saucers up here. I'm going to do that now. Okay, I'm back home and I've got my gift haul box. And Marla actually inventoried everything in the box on an inventory sheet, and then a lot of the stuff is labeled as well. So this is what is in the box. All right, Williams and Sonoma mixing bowl set, and they are spouted mixing bowls. So there's a set of 3 nesting bowls. Okay, this is an antique, so 100 years old or older. From a bakery, it's a cookies jar, a baker's cookie jar. Look at the lady on the side. And it has its lid. That is just precious. Okay, put this here on top of that felt. Okay, this is an original Nancy Gonzalez handbag, and it has its documentation inside, and this is really, really valuable. It has its original Neiman Marcus tag and its papers, and this is a $3,400 bag, brand new. In really nice condition. It's just amazing. It even has like places like cell phone pockets and stuff in it. So it's suede on the inside, and it smells divine too. The suede on the inside. It smells so good. So this is just amazing. Now, I don't have a locked case. So my choices are, because a lot of the stuff she gave me is very valuable, I can either go to a shop and buy a locking case secondhand, or you could always ask another dealer if you could use their case, and then you would give them a portion of the profits from the sale. I guess that's an option too. My best bet is I know a place where I can go in Atlanta and look for a lock case. Okay, next. This basket. Marla called it a buttocks basket. I think that's funny. I hope YouTube doesn't dislike that word. So there's that. French inlay wooden box. There's a couple of boxes. I think this is the French inlaid box, the tassel. That smells good too. It smells like, it smells like cedar on the inside. Okay, what's next? A beaded headband. I should wear this for the rest of the video. Wooden dovetailed small box. That's this one. Yeah, the dovetail is on the side. You see that? With a nice clasp on that. Stack my wooden boxes over here together. A gold hand-painted antique plaque with 2 figures. Oh, this is really heavy. All right, let me get into this bag. This is the rest of it. And she even gave me some nice display bags. I have some things that I want to sell, and I'm going to use these bags. She gave me a bunch in the smaller pink size too. Okay, this is a antique hand-painted trinket box. Let me show you the stamp and how pretty this is. I might have to keep this for myself. And the clasp is just perfect on it. Click shut. Let's see. I got off track on my list here though. Oh, because I wanted to show you the heavy piece that's in here first. This is old. Bradley and Hubbard. Yes, let me show you the stamp where it says B and H. And then it has a number 2142. And it has a price tag on it from another antique dealer's booth. I'm guessing maybe it was Marla's booth because, well, it kind of looks like her handwriting. It's very heavy. It's got a chain to hang it from. All right, let me stick this right here where it will be safe. Antique Chinese hand-carved card case. Oh, this is beautiful. Let me show you this. I did kind of take a quick look before I started on this video, so it's not a complete surprise because I needed to at least have an idea of what I was talking about. I'll get back to that hand-carved case in a minute. These are antique snuff boxes. To be fancy ladies who liked snuff would put them in these fancy boxes. Interesting, right? Look at the ladies with the wigs on. Wow. Okay, so those are snuff boxes. A very fine lace doily. This looks like one of the old ones like my grandmother had in her house on all of her furniture. It's pretty with the snuff boxes on top, actually. Like this. Displayed like that. Okay, this is an antique hairpin. The dog on it. What kind of dog is this? A hunting dog, maybe? A little velvet case that snaps closed. This is Ladybug and Leaf Halcyon Days Twist Top Trinket Box. Purchased from Neiman Marcus. The inside bottom is cute. This one I didn't look at yet. Oh, it is tiny. Oh my gosh. Look at how precious this little ladybug. So this is a miniature. I might end up keeping this for myself. But if I am able to get a little luxe case, these tiny little miniatures, and these types of things need to go in a case. The evolution of my booth needs to include a case that lot. An antique, a valuable one. And it's a portrait inside of a box. And it came with some information. It's a framed circa 1750s portrait miniature of a beautiful young woman in the fashion of her time. The powdered wig in rose of the Louis XV era, and her long ringlet of ponytail across her shoulder. Pink cheeks and lips and her beautiful eyes have been incredibly captured in a face that is only a half inch from chin to hairline, impossibly intricate artwork. The cover glass is flat, I think perhaps a replacement at some point, and the wafer has a couple of light rubs showing, which could be accounted for had that happened too. The oval mat has a high gold to it, and it is likely is faced with thin gold. Not just foil, but worked gold. I see that treatment on many of these pieces from the mid-1700s, and from back you can see the bond of the gold and the brass it faces. Very good to excellent condition for its age. In addition to the mention but above, the portrait mount seems slightly fragile to me. I wouldn't take it apart again. The brass tabs have been worked more than enough and seem ready to break. Photos show it to you open and also with the same oiled Italian paper round which was inside when I bought it. It just lifts out. No breaks or damage to the inner lip or the two halves of the snuff box, other than, as noted, a few bug bite spots. Displays beautiful, a real prize, this one. So this is a snuff box with a 1700s portrait in the face. Isn't that fabulous? Some more display bags. This is the hand-carved Chinese wooden box. Okay, let me show you. So this would be for your calling cards, I suppose. And it originally was in a store, an antique store in Baltimore. It's dated back to 1840, and it was priced at $600 at this antique store. I hope you can see the intricacy of the wooden carving on this box. And then an antique women's hair comb. I'm not going to attempt to also put this in my hair right now because it would have to be in a bun for me to stick it in the back, and you would wear it in the bun like that. So from behind, you would be looking all fancy like that. This is a Sadek, Andrea by Sadek, piece of ovenware, and the pattern is parsley. I had a pie or a tart dish recently, exact same pattern, and it has sold. So too bad I don't still have it. I could put this right in front of the pie dish because I had the pie dish on a plate stand. But anyway, I am just blown away by this, Marla, and thank you to your husband too. Thank you so much. And I just can't wait to keep you updated on how everything is selling. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching today. And if you'd love to see the pets, make sure to stay tuned.